on the bed, oh so fast. One did a flip, went bump on the head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys, boing, 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 dancing to the bedtime swing. One twirled round and lost his shoe. Mama said, that won't do, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Three little monkeys bouncing in a line, singing out loud, we're feeling fine. One did a tumble, then started to snore. Mama peeked in and said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys clapping their hands, dreaming of jungles and far-off lands. One yawned wide, then curled up tight. Mama smiled and said, good night. One little monkey, sleepy and small, snuggled up cozy, blanket and all. No more jumping, no more play, just sweet dreams till a brand new day. Shh, no bouncing, time for bed. Rest your tail and sleepy head. Tomorrow's coming, hooray, hooray! Monkey fun's just a nap